Alright, so today we're gonna make some juice. We're gonna make some, as I would call it in a Jamaica, blend up, trang back, whatever you wanna call it. So today we're gonna make okra and pumpkin juice together. So stay tuned as we take you on the journey of making some Sunday blend up trang back juice. In the island of Jamaica, Alright, in these ingredients now we're going to use okra, pumpkin, nutmeg, vanilla, dragon, and some soy milk. Now, first of all, we're going to prepare the okra. So we need to get the okra out. Get the okra. And we're going to wash them off. This should be good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 14, 15. So we're using 15 okra. That should be good. So first, we're going to wash them off. So we're going to cut off the stems. So and cut them up just into pieces. You don't really have to cut them, because what we are going to do first, we're going to boil them to make sure we get off the fur and some stuff that's on the skin of the okra. If you don't boil the okra, it's going to be unbearable if you drink it without boiling it. It's going to itch your throat like, it's going to itch your throat a lot. You know, you have to make sure you boil it first before you blend it or make the juice. Alright. Alright, so same thing for the pumpkin. We're going to prepare the pumpkin. Now, a lot of people just blend the pumpkin like that, but I like to boil it first. Why? Make it smooth. Just like making carrot juice. Some people blend the carrot just like that. But for me, I like to boil it first so that it get that because smooth texture, you know? And you end up in the office train it. I will throw off the water, get rid of some of the slime, the things that will boil off our skin. Add some cold water. Make it cool, and then we're going to blend it. So while that cool, we can start boil the pumpkin.